Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Man, I have a huge agenda tonight. Let me just get right into it. Here we are. This actually is coming out on the 17th, but starting yesterday on the 16th through this weekend is the Vintage. We got a bunch of folks that are up at the Vintage, and hopefully we get to see some pictures. Those will come back. On the 17th also is the Ultimate Driving Experience up in Tampa. If you signed up for that, they're driving some really neat stuff up in Tampa this weekend, so enjoy that. Love to see some pictures from that. On Saturday the 18th, we have the Cars and Coffee at Fort Myers. I hate this, but I'm not going to be there this weekend. I've got to make a fast dash to North Carolina Friday and Saturday. Be back Saturday night late. So for everybody at the Cars and Coffee at Fort Myers, hello from me now, and I'll see you next month for that. A non-event on the 25th. We have Cars, Bikes, and Coffee down in Naples. It's in the things to do list. Check it out. But it's something to do for the 25th. Saturday the 1st, Cars and Coffee in Sarasota, and Autocross in Fort Myers. So you got two choices there. We have a ton of things coming up. Sunday the 2nd is Punta Gorda Port Charlotte breakfast. That's on the 2nd. Tuesday the 4th. We have the St. Pete Clearwater gathering up there. On Saturday the 8th, we have 4 events going on around the state. It's just going to be a busy weekend that weekend. First of all, Jacksonville, Caffeine and Octane. Lakeland Cars and Coffee. Dunellen Ice Cream Social. That's something new on the agenda. Check that out. And then new to the agenda on the 8th also is Peepaw's Garage, Beamers and Brews. So a lot going on from here to the first week in June. Just a bunch of stuff. Sunday, the 9th of June, we're back to Naples for Cars and Coffee at the dealership down in South Naples. So a lot happening just in the first week or so between now and June. It looks like about 8 or 10, 11 different items that were going on. Let me tell you about something that's coming up in November. You want to get in now. It is the Thanksgiving Come Sail Away cruise. Now this isn't a driving cruise. This is a cruise. It's leaving out of Port Canaveral. It's aboard the Caribbean Princess, running down to the Grand Turk and Turks and Caicos for a turn there. It is a Florida Suncoast members and friends Thanksgiving getaway. Come Sail Away cruise. So if you're interested in that, see, it's already on the calendar. Carol got it in there this weekend, so you can go check that out. John Schneider is heading up this energy, and I think there's probably already 10, 12, 15 people already registered for it. You can't believe the prices that they've gotten, and there's some goodies that go with that. The more people we get, the better the pricing gets. So if you want to get away for Thanksgiving, now's the time to get on there and get signed up. So we can identify a cruise in many different ways, apparently. And let me tell you about something. Just got an invitation for it. It sort of floored me when I got it. But we have an invitation to participate in the South American Cannonball Run. You heard it here first. South American Cannonball Run. If you're interested, it starts in Brazil. It's a 7-day event. They stay at 5-star hotels each night. It has security that goes along with it. There's a $100,000 US dollar purse for the first 10 finishers to be divided amongst the first 10 finishers. It'll start in Brazil, go through Paraguay, into Argentina, up through the Andes Mountains, down to Porto Seguro in Chile, where it finishes. So it's pretty interesting. We get the insight on a lot of things happening, and here you go. I guess we've touched the world now, and the world's coming to look for us. So if you're interested, give me a call personally. I'll give you the details on it and the contact names for the South American Cannonball Run. So big event there. Okay, that's all I have. Out of breath. A lot of events. Check it out down below in the RSVPs. Come on out, get aboard, and let's have some fun. Until then, happy motoring, y'all. See ya. Thanks.